Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I made a video just about this because somebody was wanting their drop shadow not to be so pixelized, but that's what a drop shadow is. But if you wanted it sharper like a vector image, and while I was making the video before I could get back to Facebook and post it for them, somebody kind of answered a good idea, so I thought I'd make a video to kind of share that. Control D and make a duplicate of this shadow, and then left click gray. And then all you have to do is, let's set our nudge at like 0.02 and see if we can't, whoop, that's way too much. 0.02. My laptop's keyboard sometimes doesn't work if I don't have it on. And that's still too much, but you see the effect. It looks like a drop shadow, but it's perfectly clear and not pixelized like a shadow. Now, you don't have to have the gray on top. You could have the gray. All you have to do is go to Object and Order, back a page, and now you've got a gray on the back side. And we could just take that black and move it over, and now you have kind of like a shadow on the back. Pretty neat. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.